Python coders alert, these are your best 5 IDEs. The following are the top 5 IDEs. 1. Pycharm. Unlock the potential of your coding with Pycharm, a robust Python IDE designed to elevate the quality of your code experience, heighten productivity with an array of features, including code completion, error checking, and efficient refactoring tools. 2. Visual Studio. Crafted by Microsoft, Visual Studio stands as a comprehensive Python editor, offering a suite of features to enhance the efficiency of developers in writing and debugging code. 3. Eclipse plus PyDev. Eclipse stands as a renowned figure in the realm of IDEs, seamlessly operating across various operating systems such as Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. 4. Spider. Spider, an open-source Python IDE meticulously crafted for data science workflows, comes conveniently bundled with the Anaconda Package Manager distribution, potentially ensuring its pre-installation on your system. 5. Thonny. Thonny, a newcomer to the Python IDE scene, is positioned as an IDE tailored for beginners. It is authored and diligently maintained by the Institute of Computer Science at the University of Tartu in Estonia. Happy coding! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.